Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Dear students, today we are going to start the chapter number 5, The Ailing Planet, the Green Movement's Role. This chapter has been taken from your Hornbill book. Dear students, first of all, let's talk about the title of the chapter. The name of the chapter is The Ailing Planet. Ailing means sick and planet means here. Planet refers here to the earth. Okay. And here we will talk about the role of green movement in saving the ailing planet, in healing the ailing planet earth. Alright. Dear students, this chapter is written by Nani Palkhiwala. So let's talk about Nani Palkhiwala. Here you can see the portrait of Nani Palkhiwala. Dear students, Nani Palkhiwala was born in 1920 in Bombay. Bombay is the old name of the city Mumbai. Okay, in what was then the Bombay Presidency to blue-collar, middle-class Parsi parents. Blue-collar means the people who were worker. Okay, that time, and they belonged to the middle-class family. And here we are talking about the Parsi parents of Nani Palkhiwala. His family name derives from the profession of his forefathers, a common practice among Parsis. It was a common practice of making palanquins. Okay, as his forefathers were the manufacturers of palanquins, that's why he got the name, the surname Palkhiwala. Okay, that's why his name is Nani Palkhiwala. Before getting into the chapter, let me give you an introduction of the lesson. This chapter focuses on the factors that are responsible for the declining health. Now here declining means damaging health. Okay, health of the earth. The chapter was originally an article written by Nani Palkhiwala, which was published in the newspaper The Indian Express on November 23, 1994. The writer discusses the green movement, how a zoo in Zambia declared human beings as world's most dangerous animals. Okay? The writer also focuses on overpopulation, deforestation, and what should be our responsibility towards the environment. All right. Now, dear students, we will talk about the summary of the chapter, The Green Movement's Role, the Ailing Planet. In this chapter, the writer raises an issue towards the deteriorating health. Deteriorating health means the health which is going to be worse and worse day by day. Okay? Health of the earth. As human beings have been exploiting natural resources from decades, presently the condition has made environment critical. Okay? In 1972, the Green Movement helped environmentalists to raise awareness about the harmful condition of the earth. And since then, there has been no looking back as the movement has been successfully educating people about the conservation of the environment. Earth is like a patient whose health is declining. Okay, and it is our duty to improve it. In 1987, the term sustainable development was used by the World Commission on Environment and the Development. A zoo in Lukasa, a zoo in Lukasa, Zambia has a case in which a sign reads, and the sign reads, the world's most dangerous animal. Inside there is a mirror. It gives a message that human beings are the most dangerous animals. Brandt Commission raised a question, are we to leave our successor a scorched planet of advancing desert, impoverished landscapes and ailing environment? There are 4 principal biological systems that form the foundation of the global economic system, and they are fisheries, grasslands, forests, and croplands. These four systems also provide food and raw material for the industries except for minerals and synthetics. With these systems becoming unsustainable, fisheries will collapse, the forest will slowly disappear, grasslands will turn into a barren wasteland, and croplands will become worse. In poor countries, forests are being cut down for fuel wood, which is used for cooking purposes. There are some areas where the cost of fuel wood is more than the cost of food. It is leading to deforestation at an alarming rate. Okay? One of the reasons for the exploitation of the environment is the increasing population. It is observed that about 1 million population is increasing in every 4 days. This is not a good sign. There is an urgent need to control overpopulation in the world. Development is the best contraceptive for this problem, as it will help in reduction in fertility, increase in education and income, and improvement in health. We must see the world as a whole and not as dissociated parts. It is holistic and ecological view. According to Lester Brown, we have not inherited the earth from our forefathers, but we have borrowed it from our future generations. It means we have written it back to our future generations. Now, dear students, that's all for today. I hope you would have enjoyed the video. Keep watching. Thanks. Take care. Bye bye.